All right, so you got the first part. You know that this is a perfect square because you can do 7v times 7v. And then you know that this is a perfect square because you can do 6 times 6. So remember that because you've got a perfect square on either side, and then you've got subtraction in the middle, that means that that is telling you this is going to be a difference of squares, which means if you factor it, you take the 7v's, put it in the front, you take the 6's, you put them as the second portion, and it'll be 7v plus 6, and then 7v minus 6 is equal to 0. So the first step towards solving it is to factor it first. Now you know that either this has to be equal to 0 or that has to be equal to 0 because 0 times something has to be 0. So now you have two equations to solve. You've got 7v plus 6 equals 0. So you'll solve that one by subtracting 6 from both sides. Divide both sides by 7. So v is equal to negative 6 over 7. That's one of your solutions. Then you got to take that one. So it'll be 7v minus 6 is equal to 0. Add 6 to both sides. 7v is equal to 6. Divide both sides by 7. V is equal to positive 6 over 7. So your two solutions are v is equal to negative 6 over 7, and then v is equal to positive 6 over 7.